Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost Monkey in Omny mods. This powerful tool integrates seamlessly, offering players an expanded set of capabilities. You can gain new ways to navigate environments and interact with game elements. Understanding its core functions is key to unlocking its full potential and improving your overall experience. Let's dive into the setup process. To begin, first download the Omny Mod Manager, ensuring it comes from a reliable source to maintain system security. Once you have the manager, run it to install essential modding components, which typically takes less than 1 minute. Finally, locate your downloaded Ghost Monkey mod file and drag it directly into the plugins folder found within your Omny Mods directory. This completes the installation. With Ghost Monkey installed, launch your game. You will typically access the in-game mod menu by pressing a designated key, often a function key like F1 or F2. Within this menu, locate the section specifically labeled for Ghost Monkey. Here, you can easily browse through its various features and activate or deactivate them with a simple click, customizing your experience instantly. To truly master Ghost Monkey, consider customizing your keybinds for quick access to your most used features, saving you valuable milliseconds. Experiment with sensitivity settings to find the perfect balance for precise control and fluid movement, enhancing your overall performance. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.